Weak.
So,
What's up, guys?
you
Today we are going to get some easy money with these guys.
I am a flying machine.
We really are.
Yes, I am.
Okay.
I'm heading to the moon. See you later.
So all
So
you
what are we gonna go
I'm
do?
with you.
So we're gonna get some easy money and Haunted Mansion.
We're heading down, Mayday!
And if you didn't know, they're heart pieces because there's a giant heart down there.
Yeah, and a heart gun.
Yeah. What? Yeah. I call it a ray gun. Most
I'm going to God now.
So
I'm
all
going
you
to be
need is
ascending.
just at least a backpack,
and a
a
flashlight.
flashlight. That's all you really
Yes,
need.
and I-
Oh, we're going to sewers. We're going
No,
to
we're
sewers.
going to
Sewers.
Haunted Mansion.
Okay,
Yeah.
Well,
we're going to Haunted Mansion.
let me
Yeah,
just
I'm gonna-
grab
I'll be
my
there.
grappler. I got my grappler.
Oh crap.
Okay, let's go.
You guys watch this.
So what? While those guys are yapping, we are gonna go over here.
I need to come.
Yep. Finally, these.
I'm a weapon carrier, so if you need any weapons, just ask.
Let's wait for these guys.
Oh, look behind you, bro. Look behind you.
Yeah, that's the ogre.
Are you
If you just
promoted?
go,
Are you
if you just dodge
promoted?
him, you'll be really safe. If you just dodge him. See?
Get back, bro.
Oopsies.
You're an idiot. You're gonna kill yourself.
Okay.
Just wait until he throws a stone. That's it.
Yeah. But we don't have a weapon though. We literally don't have a weapon. Oh,
do
you
you mean
have
you
a
don't?
weapon with those pipes of yours.
Yeah.
OMG, guys! I'm at dark.
Help me! Help me! Help me!
I'm just gonna keep running away. Now you have to go down here. Let's just.
Oh, I'm a car. I'm a car.
Wait, should we get on the roof?
Now, now you go
No,
over here where
what
this
we
red
should
is.
do is we should run like this.
Guys, this
A
is.
car.
Guys, let's go. Come on.
Ah.
It's just a red light, green light monster. If you just don't. I assume you already
Yeah,
have
I have
this.
to be very careful.
No, you just
But
have
I
right
do need
here.
this pipe
Well, he's dead.
though. Bro, what I do need is I need.
No, stop right here. So I don't get killed. And then.
Guys, I'm coming back.
Now you're in Haunted Mansion. And I'm gonna show you an easy way how to get there without getting the key.
Yo, bro, hold on.
Yo, I'm gonna show you an easy way.
Wait
So-
for me.
So you're still gonna be in the same lobby with your friend. No, we're not gonna get a key. There's an easier way.
I know. You're gonna stick a teleporter grenade in here.
Nope, it's a different way. So you
You're
have to
a
turn off your
caller.
Wi-Fi and the door's not even there. And then get back in and then turn your Wi-Fi off.
No, what you also can do is you can actually come for the keyhole.
And then you'll be with your friends still. So look, I'm gonna turn off my Wi-Fi.
No, what you can actually do
Look, go to your Wi-Fi. It's just loading.
is you.
See how the door's open? We get back in. Since we're in, we turn our Wi-Fi back on. Then we should be back in. May take a while though, with my Wi-Fi on. Yo, I'm in! I told you! I'm literally in!
Well, let's find the key
You gotta
instead. Let's find the key instead because
You gotta turn off your
I'm worried about the game
Wi-Fi, and then
crashing.
once you get in, turn it back
I'm
on.
worried about the game. I don't even know how you turn off Wi-Fi.
Okay, I taught the viewers like.
Also,
So,
my backpack's
so
full
go
of
to
weapons.
quick settings. Go
So I
to
can
quick
barely hold
settings.
anything.
Go to quick settings.
I'm not doing the other
Go to
guy.
quick settings, bro.
No, I'm not. I'm not gonna do it because I'm worried about getting kicked from the server.
Oh well, then I'll just. Okay, then I'll just leave you.
I'll just go find
I'll
the key.
leave you then. Okay. We are not gonna. But what you want to do risky. I'm going down too risky. Of course, I didn't get all of it. But I was gonna die. That's...
You bro, I have a full revolver ammo. Are you still there?
Yeah!
Bro, are you still there?
Yeah!
Oh good. The other guy.
Like these.
I also have a full revolver filled with ammo.
Like this. I'm not gonna collect as much money. But we're gonna collect at least a lot. Oh, I'm too heavy. See how much... How do I die? Okay, I'm gonna regen because I'm not gonna waste it. Doopy doopy doo. It's on the bench. But my health will regen soon. Should. I don't know how I took damage on that. Made it.
Let me know if you're leaving.
I'm not gonna be leaving. Man, you come up here.
I also just letting you know I found 2 keys.
Wanna fall down? Lava. Go up here. Now I'm gonna go up here because do not do that jump if your book bag's heavy. You will die in the lava. Now climb up a little bit here and I'll let you go in. And then we get some money. This is the part where we get some money. Yo, where are you?
Do you want the key?
I already got the money and gems and everything.
I have 2 keys.
Well, sure, get as much loot as you can.
I got a 2
Now we sell these. Now we get a bunch of money. Money! Bro, I got a bunch of money!
Just 50 K. Well,
We about got 50K.
100K.
And see, I went to
The entire
58
game
to
will sell all of your money back to
62,000.
where it was last.
So, yeah.
I've done
You
it.
can
I
end the
have
video
like
right now, but we're
1,000K,
gonna do some more stuff.
Okay, and the game reset all my.
Yo, you there?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Okay. Yo, are you gonna get some stuff?
I have a revolver.
Can you get some gems for me and then come back?
I exactly have 3 of them, so I don't know
If
where I
that's
am.
all I gotta tell you how to get free money easily.
Just hold still. I'm gonna leave the game and then join
So,
you.
Yeah. You can end the video
Okay?
right
Because I
now.
have no idea where to go.
So, bye.